referrals. You gotta love it when someone is so happy with the work that you did that they tell someone else. And in the case of the place that I just came from, the contractor, he just told everyone. And I get a lot of work from guys who tell other people, and it's because my guys, well, our guys, they do an incredible job of making sure people feel appreciated. The work gets done on time, it gets done neatly, they're very tidy, they clean up, but more importantly, they talk to people. They don't go out of their way to bother anyone, but when a homeowner asks questions, they'll take the time to walk them through exactly what we're doing, why we're doing certain things a certain way, and help them understand where their money is going, and also show them the appreciation that we feel when we get hired to do a job. So making sure you do a good job is one thing, but appreciating who's hiring you to do the work, and that's you, that means everything. So stay warm, stay comfortable, but please stay tuned.